The Tortoise and the Bird. A tortoise was resting close to a tree when she saw a bird in a nest. "What a shabby nest you have, little bird," said the tortoise. "It has no roof. It's made out of broken twigs. And you still had to build it yourself." "I think my house, which is my shell, is much better than yours," the tortoise continued.
"Well," replied the bird, "I know it looks shabby, but I built it, and I sure like it."
"I guess it's a house," said the tortoise, "but it's certainly not better than mine." "Are you jealous of my house, little bird?" said the tortoise.
"On the contrary," replied the bird. "In my house, I live with my little ones, and you must live alone in yours," said the bird. "Maybe you have a better house, but I have a home, and that is much better," concluded the little bird. The end.